Good day everyone. Let us now discuss a new set of topic dito sa differential equation. Ito yung homogeneous differential equation natin. At sa chapter 3 na tayo. So, under this homogeneous differential equation, we have homogeneous polynomial. So, ano ba yung homogeneous polynomial? Ano magiging rule nitong homogeneous polynomials dito sa homogeneous differential equation? Okay? So, tingnan natin. What is homogeneous polynomials first? Bago tayo pumunta dun sa pinaka-main solution or pinaka-main topic natin na homogeneous differential equation. Kasi malaki ang magiging rule nitong homogeneous polynomials natin dito sa homogeneous differential equation. So let us now define or determine ano ba yung homogeneous polynomials. So that is the polynomials in which all terms are of the same degree. So, tandaan to. Yung lahat ng term daw niya, kung magkakapareha siya ng degree, lahat ng yon ay homogeneous polynomial. So, yun lang ang kailangan nyo tandaan. Kung yung term na involved dun sa polynomial mo, let's say may isa kang polynomial, tapos yung bawat term niya is pare-parehas yung degree. So, ang ibig sabihin, yung polynomial mo na yon is homogeneous polynomial. Ang tanong na lang, paano mo ma-determine yung degree ng bawat term? Diba? So, simple lang. Punta tayo sa example number 1. To determine what is the degree ng bawat term, ito yon. So, sa example number 1 natin, we have x squared minus 4xy plus y squared. Dito, sa equation sa example number 1, mapapansin nyo na may given exponent yung first term. By the way, yung x squared mo, yun yung first term. Yung minus 4xy mo, yun yung second term. Yung y squared mo, that is yung third term. Okay? Yun yung mga terms involved sa polynomial. Tapos, yung exponent niya, ito, tindahan ha, yung exponent niya, yung 2 dito sa x, yung squared niya, yun yung degree ng first term mo. Kumbaga, yung first term mo, yun yung, yung first term mo, ang degree niya, nasa second degree siya because of this 2. Because dito sa exponent na to, dito sa exponent na to. Tandaan ha? Then, paano yung second term? Kasi yung x mo is nasa first degree to. Diba? Ang y mo naman nasa first degree. Diba? Ang rule ng multiplication ng polynomial, pag may dalawang variable ka, is ina-add mo yung exponent niya. Ang consideration naman nito, in determining degree ng bawat term, yung magkasamang variable, i-add mo yung exponent niya. Kasi ang basa nun, yun na yung magiging degree nung term mo. So, kumbaga, yung x mo, meron kang 1, yung y mo, meron kang 1. I-add mo lang siya, yan na yung magiging degree niya. So, ibig sabihin, yung second term mo is nasa second degree din siya. Okay? Yung third term mo, automatic yon since this is 2, so ibig sabihin, nasa second degree din siya. Kaya ang sagot dito, kung tatanungin ka, what is the degree ng polynomial mo, it is second degree polynomial. At kung tatanungin ka, kung yung polynomial na bato is a homogeneous or not. So, since according dun sa requirements para maging homogeneous polynomial ka, di ba? Ang homogeneous polynomials natin, dapat daw yung lahat ng terms pare-parehas yung degree niya. So, lahat ng terms natin nasa second degree lahat siya, di ba? Ibig sabihin, lahat ng terms nasa second degree, so same degrees yung bawat terms. Ibig sabihin, this is a homogeneous polynomial or HP. Nilagay ko na lang na HP siya. Okay? Homogeneous siya. Okay? So, hopefully, sa example number 1 pa lang, klarado na agad kung ano yung homogeneous polynomial. For you to determine if the polynomial is homogeneous, dapat same degree yung bawat term niya. So, example number 2 tayo. Illustration number 2. Sa illustration number 2, meron tayong x squared y plus x cubed. So, meron kang y1 dito, di ba? So, i-add mo lang yung exponent to. Ibig sabihin, 2 plus 1, nasa third degree na tong first term mo. Ito namang second term mo, nasa third degree din. So, ibig sabihin, yung polynomial mo, pare-parehas nasa third degree siya. So, homogeneous polynomial pa rin naman siya. Okay? Hopefully, maliwanag yan. Example number 3 tayo. Direkta tayo dito sa example number 3. We have 4th degree, yung first term mo, and we have 3 plus 1 naman yung second term mo. So, ibig sabihin nito, 4th degree rin yung nasa 4th degree din tong itong second term. So, parehas siya 4th degree. So, this is a homogeneous polynomial. Okay? So, how about number 4? Example number 4, ito. Anong degree meron dito? So, tingnan natin So, yung first term mo, yung first term mo nasa 3rd degree. Yung second term mo, meron kang 1 plus 2, kaya nasa 3rd degree din siya. Okay? Yung third term mo, Z7, nasa 7th degree siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi para-parehas yung degree ng bawat terms mo, kaya hindi siya homogeneous. So, this is not homogeneous polynomial. So, hopefully, naintindihan yung simple illustration ng homogeneous polynomial. Okay? Kasi, ito yung magiging reference natin dun sa homogeneous differential equation. So, let us continue discussing. Punta na tayo sa function. So, a function of x and y is called homogeneous of degree n if the function will become kx and ky, and this must be equals to k raised to n multiplied by the function of the original x and y mo. So, dito, meron tayong in-introduce na another variable na n. Yung n, yan yung determination mo kung ano yung degree yung function mo. Okay, tandaan yung n, kung ano yung n mo, what is the value of n, that is your degree nung function mo. At yung n na yun na rin yung magiging basehan mo that yung function mo is a homogeneous function. Okay, hopefully naintindihan yung simple explanation ko doon. In the condition that, ito yan if yung original function mo magiging function of kx, ky is equals to k raised to n multiply the function of x and y. Kumbaga, yung dating value mo, na k, yung dating value mo na x, papalitan mo na siya ng kx. From original value of y, magiging ky na siya. Hopefully, naintindihan ito. Okay? And that must be equals to k raised to n multiplied by the function of y. O dito, after you change all the values of x and y into kx and ky, yung magiging result nun, after you substituting all the values ng x into kx and y into ky, yung magiging result nun, meron ka makukuhang k raised to n multiplied by yung original function mo. Kumbaga, babalik yung original given na function mo dun sa magiging sagot mo. But, finactor out na yung common factor na k. Okay? Tandaan tong k, itong k raised to n. Ngayon, dito sa illustration ko, dito sa example na ibibigay ko, dito sa explanation ko, ginamit ko yung k as the factor or multiplier kasi mas madaling gamitin as a reference. Ngayon, dyan sa libro, ginamit kasi dyan is yung lambda na symbol, yung ganito. Okay? Ganyan, sa libro. So, I prefer using k, mas madaling isulat, mas madaling representation ng isang multiplier o ng isang tawag ito yung factor. So, but the solution or yung process is parehas lang, pinalitan ko lang naman yung symbol, It's just the symbol lang naman. So, let us proceed. For us to understand that the function will be homogeneous dun sa degree of n kung ang maging status niya is maging k raised to n multiplied by the original function. After you changing all the values of your function into kx and ky. So, hopefully, naintindihan ako dito sa simple illustration ko. Let us proceed now dito sa example. Okay? I-solve natin itong example number 1 using dun sa function and illustration as homogeneous function natin. So, tingnan natin ano. Example number 1. Okay? Okay. Pakita ko lang to. Example number 1. For the function, okay, let us highlight. For the function x and y is equals to x raised to 5 minus x raised to 2 multiplied by y raised to 3. Okay? Determine whether homogeneous or not. So, dito sa function na to, kailangan natin i-determine kung homogeneous nga to o hindi. Ano pa? Determine also the degree of the function. So, how are we going to determine the degree of this function? Kung mahanap mo yung n, yun na yung degree. Therefore, after we determine this equation, nandun yung n, di ba? Nandun yung n, ibig sabihin, nandun yung degree mo. Okay? Ano pa? Kung makuha mo yung n, tatawagin na rin yun as homogeneous kasi galing yun dun sa pinaka-function mo, finactor out kasi natin yun as representation nung degree ng function mo. Yun na yung magiging exponent nung k. So, let us proceed sa solution. Hopefully, nakakasunod lahat. So, tingnan natin what is the solution of this function. So, let us rewrite first yung given. So, from the original function, ito yung original. Function of x and y is equals to, okay, this is equals to x raised to 5 minus x raised to 2 multiplied by y cubed. So, galing dito sa taas, galing dito, okay? Galing dito, lahat ng values ng x papalitan mo ng kx. Lahat naman ng value ng y papalitan mo ng ky. So, I will assign that x, ito ko gagawin, x must be equals to kx. Kx to. And y, and your y is equals to ky. Yan. So, ipalit natin lahat ng values ng x and y dun sa given equation natin. So, therefore, this is now equals to, what is your x? Your x is equals to kx. So, kx na to. Yung x, papalitan mo ng kx. And this is raised to 5. And kaysa na tayo. Another minus. This is minus. X raised to 2. So, x raised to 2. Yung x mo magiging kx na siya, di ba? So, kx raised to 2. Then, multiplied by y cubed. Yung y mo, papalitan mo siya ng ky. So, this will become ky to the power of 3. Yan. Okay? Hopefully, nasusundan. Then, proceed doon sa simplification. I-simplify na natin. So, this is equals now to loob, exponent tayo, no? Yung 5, i-distribute mo yung sa exponent nung nasa loob. So, ibig sabihin, may 1 ka sa k, exponent 1. So, 1 times 5. Kaya meron kang k raised to 5 pa rin. Meron yung x mo naman, 1 times 5. Kaya meron kang x raised to 5. Ayan, exponent from your fundamentals of engineering mathematics. So, minus. Same process. 2 times 1 will be equals to k raised to 2. 2 times 1 will be equals to x raised to 2. Same thing. This will become k cubed and y cubed. Then, proceed. So, dun sa simplification again. Meron kang k here. You have another k here. So, k squared times k cubed. So, ibig sabihin, log exponent pa rin. Pag multiplication ng same term, yung exponent niya, i-add mo. Okay? Kumbaga, kung meron kang, let's say, x raised to 1, x cubed, multiply this by x raised to 3, so same term siya, para siyang x and x, yung exponent niya, multiplication to, di ba? So, yung term, yung exponent niya, i-add mo. Kaya ang result nito will be x raised to 5. I-add mo yung term. You need to add I mean, you need to add the exponent if you are doing the multiplication of these two variables. So, ganun din na gawin natin dito. Copy first yung k5 dito sa first term, yung x raised to 5, okay? Minus, k raised to 2 multiplied by k raised to 3. So, i-add mo yung exponent niya, di ba? So, 2 plus 3, meron kang k raised to 5. Then, copy yung remaining term, yung remaining variable. So, x squared, then y cubed. Next, anong sunod natin? So, tingnan nyo yung common term dito. Common variable. You have k raised to 5, and you have also k raised to 5. So, yung common mo, i-factor out mo yung common na term. So, k raised to 5, factor out. Ang matitira lang dito is x raised to 5, di ba? X raised to 5 na lang. Kasi natanggal mo na yung x raised to, yung k raised to 5 mo. Nilabas mo na. So, ang matitira, x raised to 5. Then, proceed dun sa pag-copy ng operation, minus. Since you already factor out yung k raised to 5, ang matitira dito is x raised to 2, then y cubed. Yan. Then, copy muna to yung function mo. So, function, diba? Ito na yung function of, instead of x and y mo, kasi pinalitan mo ng kx saka ky mo, so ibig sabihin, itong function na to, this is now your new function, kx and ky. So, anong mapapansin nyo sa sagot? Tingnan itong term na to. Diba, itong term na to, same siya nung original na function mo. Diba? Same siya. X raised to 5 minus x raised to 2 y cubed. So, same siya. Kumbaga, bumalik yung original status ng function mo. Pero meron ka ng involved na multiplier o yung k mo, which is nandun yung n mo. Ito na yung n mo. At pag nakakuha ka ng ganyang sagot, ibig sabihin, this is homogeneous. This is already a homogeneous function. Homogeneous na yung function mo. Homogeneous na yung function mo. Okay? Hopefully, naintindihan ako. Homogeneous na yung function mo. Here, anong degree naman siya? So, anong sagot natin dito? If this is already a homogeneous function, anong degree siya? Isulat ko lang yung function. Function. Yan. Homogeneous function. So, anong degree siya? Ang n mo will be equals to 5. So, therefore, this is nasa 5th degree. Okay? 5th degree siya. Kaya yung tanong natin kanina, determine, okay? Highlight ko lang. So, determine whether homogeneous or not, homogeneous siya. Kasi meron ka ng degree na nakuha as value of your n. At determine daw also kung ano yung degree of function mo. O raised to 5 ka. Yung 5 mo, yun yung degree mo. So, nasagutan mo yung dalawang tanong. Homogeneous function, then 5th degree. Kasi yun yung requirements mo dito sa nauna. That according to this, this illustration, if you already determine this kx raised to n, k raised to n, then bumalik dun sa original function, yung given function mo, homogeneous yung function mo. At yung n na yon, yun yung value mo nung degree mo. Okay? So, hopefully, nakukuha itong example number 1. Paano pag hindi bumalik sa dating function? Ibig sabihin, hindi siya homogeneous function. Okay? Hindi mo siya pwedeng consider kasi hindi siya bumalik dun sa function of x mo. Okay? At ibig sabihin, wala ka rin makukuha ang degree as degree ng homogeneous function mo. Okay? Let us proceed dun sa example number 2 in order for us to explore kung ano yung mga solution under these homogeneous functions. Okay? Example number 2 tayo. Example number 2. Yan. Hopefully nakakasunod. Same question. Same question lang ang gagamitin natin. Hanapin natin kung anong degree yung function mo at i-determine mo siya kung ito nga ba ay homogeneous function yung given. So, let us now proceed doing the solution, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Una, palitan mo lahat ng x into kx. So, ibig sabihin, papalitan ko na to as function of, function of kx na to. Okay, kx. Yung y mo naman, magiging ky. Yan. So, this is now equals to, palitan mo lahat ng x ng kx. So, this is equals to, now to kx raised to 3. Yan. Minus 5 y squared. O, y squared. Palitan mo yung y ng ky. And this is squared. Then multiplied by the square root. Yan. Square root of x. O, yung x mo, palitan mo uli ng kx. Ano yung exponent niya? 2. Plus y squared. Yung y mo is equal to ky. And mayroon siyang exponent. Yan. So, napalatan mo na yung lahat ng values ng x into kx and yung y into ky. So, anong sunod natin gagawin? Ay, anong susunod natin gawin dito? Ay, simplifying mo na yung equation mo nakuha. Let us proceed dun sa simplification. So, this will be equals now to, distribute mo yung exponent niya. So, this is equals to k raised to 3 and x raised to 3 minus. Distribute again. So, this is 5. Just copy the numerical coefficient. So, k raised to 2 and y raised to 2. O, ganun din yung nasa loob ng square root natin. So, this is equals to k raised to 2, x raised to 2, plus k raised to 2, then y squared. Kasi distribute mo yung exponent niya. Then, proceed again dun sa simplification hanggang di natin nakukuha yung equation na k raised to n multiplied by the function, original function. Dapat makuha natin yun. Isulat ko dito. Dapat makuha natin tong status na to. Diba? Yung status natin that kx, okay, ito, kx and ky, dapat makuha natin tong status na to that this become k raised to n multiplied by yung original function, ano? Yung function natin na x and y. Ito, dapat bumalik dito sa ganitong equation, ano? Dapat bumalik sa original function. Yung sagot natin. Meron na lang tayong tawag ito, factor. That, yung factor na yun, dun ka kukuha ng degree. Okay? Pag nakuha mo yung degree, ibig sabihin, yung equation mo, yung function mo na yun, it is already a homogeneous function. So, let us proceed now. So, ito, wala ka pa ditong pwedeng i-simplify. So, copy mo muna. K cube, x cube, minus 5k raised to 2, y raised to 2. O, tingnan yung nasa loob, ano? Nasa loob nitong index natin. I mean, yung square root. So, this is now, ano yung common term dito? Di ba, ang common term dito is k squared, k squared. So, i-factor out mo dito yung k squared. Then, ang matitira dito is x squared plus y squared. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. So, next. Dito sa loob, pwede ka nang mag-simplify. Ano? Yung sa loob, di ba, ang square root ng k raised to, k squared is k, di ba? Ang square root, ang pag-usapan natin. Ang square root ng x squared is equals to x. Diba? Kumbaga, if I'm going to, illustrate this dun sa exponent of fraction, exponent natin will be fraction. So, this is equals to x raised to 2. Diba, ang square root, katumbas niyan is 1/2. So, multiply 1/2 sa 2. 1/2 times 2 is equals to 1. O, ibig sabihin, meron kang x raised to 1 dito or simply equals to x. O, diba? Ganun yung gawin mo dito. Since multiplication naman to, wala problema. Para ka lang naman nag-solution ng ganito. X squared y. Kumbaga, ang square root mo lang yung x. So, ilabas mo yung x, magkakaroon ka ng x. Square root ng x squared is x. Then, maiwan lang yung y. Okay? O, yun ang solution na gagamitin natin dito sa k raised to 2 multiplied by x squared plus y squared square root to. So, Kumbaga, kukunin lang natin yung square root nitong k squared. K cube x cube minus 5 k squared y squared. So, what is the square root of k squared? O, square root parang square root ng x squared. So, x. So, ibig sabihin, ilabas mo yung square root ng k squared as k. Then, dito, since di ka naman pwedeng kumuha ng square root nito kasi may operation sa loob nito, so, i-retain mo yung x squared plus y squared mo. Okay? Hopefully, nakakasunod dito sa explanation ko na to. So, sunod. Anong susunod nating solution? So, ang gagawin mo, simplify mo kung merong pwedeng multiply, o i-add, i-subtract. So, simplify. Dito sa unang term, wala ka pa naman pwedeng galawin. So, i-copy mo muna yung first term. So, k cube multiplied by x cube. O dito, may pwede kang i-simplify. Diba? Meron kang k squared and k. So, k squared times k will be k cube. O, meron ka na dito 5 multiplied by k cube. Diba? Multiplication ng tawag dito, exponent mo, i-add mo. 2 plus 1. Kaya meron kang 3. O, k raised to 3. Then, copy yung y raised to 2. Then, multiply this by x squared plus y squared. Then, meron pa bang common term? Dito sa dalawang equation, meron. O, meron ka na pwedeng i-factor out na pinaka-common term. Pwede ka na mag-factor out ng k. Pwede mo na i-factor out yung k cube saka k cube dito sa pangalawang term. So, factor out now k cube. So, ilabas mo na yung k cube. Open and close parenthesis ka na. Factor out k cube. So, anong matitira dito sa first term? Matitira dito is x cube. Okay? Minus. Ang matitira dito, natanggal mo na yung x cube mo. So, matitira dito is 5y squared multiplied by x squared plus y squared. O, yan. O, tingnan. Ito na yung bago mong function. Function of kx and ky. So, bumalik ba sa dating equation itong function na to? This function? Okay. Ilagyan ko ng highlight. Highlight ko. Ito. Masyadong kapal. So, design ko lang. Anong yellow? This one. So, di ba itong function mo na to, that is already the same as yung original function mo. This one. Di ba? X raised to 3 minus 5y squared multiplied by x square root of x squared plus y squared. Ibig sabihin, hinto ka na dyan kasi bumalik ka na dun sa original na equation. So, tingnan mo na yung value ng n mo. Ano yung value ng n mo? Ito na yung 3. Di ba? O, meron ka ng value ng n. Ang n mo, ito na yon. This will be your n. Okay? Ito na yung multiplier. So, ibig sabihin, your n here is equals to 3. So, ibig sabihin, this equation or this function is nasa third degree siya. Okay? And this is a homogeneous function. Ako? Homogeneous yung function. Yan. Okay? Hopefully, nasusundan yung example number 2 natin on how to determine the degree and how to prove if the function is a homogeneous function. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa example number 3 na tayo. Punta tayo sa number 3. So, same thing. Ganun din ang gagawin, ano? What is your function here? So, palitan mo yung function. Ganun uli, ano? Ito naman, meron na siyang square root. I mean, yung numerator saka denominator niya naka-square. Tingnan natin. Actually, itong solution dito is gagamitan nyo lang naman siya nung fundamentals of engineering mathematics natin. Meron nyo lang siyang introduce na functions. Okay? But the solution, still, galing pa rin dun sa fundamentals of engineering mathematics natin. So again, change the value of x into kx, y into ky. Then proceed, palitan mo lahat ng x ng kx, palitan lahat ng y ng ky. So, I will now change all the x and y. So, this is equals to ano yung value ng x? Kx. And this is raised to 2 plus your y will be ky raised to 2. Yan. This is all divided by the square root of. So, yung x mo is still the same. Kx natin squared minus naman siya. So, this is minus ky raised to 2. Yan. Then, proceed dun sa simplification. So, dito ko na isunod yung solution. So, this is now equals to, proceed sa simplification natin. So, distribute again yung exponent niya dun sa loob ng parentheses. So, this is equals now k raised to 2, x raised to 2, plus k raised to 2, then y raised to 2. Ito, squared. So, this is equals to or over. Ang magkaiba lang naman dun sa numerator sa denominator is only your sign. Sign lang naman. So, this is solution para lang k squared x squared minus k squared y squared. Yan. Tingnan sa baba. So, tingnan tong common term. Meron kang common term na k raised to 2. Yan. Diba? Ang common term mo dito, meron kang k raised to 2. K raised to 2, k raised to 2, k raised to 2. Yan, k squared, k squared, k squared, k squared. Yun ang common term mo dito sa loob ng square root mo. O, ilabas mo yan, I-factor out mo. So, factor out. So, this is equals to the square root of. Factor out mo yung k. Doon pa lang tayo sa loob ng parentheses, Wala pa tayo sa labas. K raised to 2 or k squared multiplied by, ang remaining doon will be x squared na lang plus y squared na lang over the square root of. Again, factor out k squared. Remaining will be x squared minus y squared. And proceed. Simplification again. O, meron kang k raised to 2. Then, square root ng k squared mo. Dito naman, meron kang k squared din. So, square root din nun. So, anong square root nung the square root, kagaya nung kanina, again, explain again, x raised to 2 or y. So, ang square root niyan is x the square root of y. Nilabas mo lang yung square root ng x squared. Yung y, i-retain mo lang dun sa loob ng square root. Same lang gawin mo dito. So, therefore, square root ng k squared mo is k. Then, itira mo lang yung hindi po pwedeng square root. So, x squared plus y squared. Okay? Please ko lang. Yan. So, dito, mapapansin nyo, bumabalik siya dun sa original na given niya. Diba? Bumabalik na siya. This is y squared. Over k. Again, itong k mo na to, k squared mo, ang square root nun is k. So, the square root of yung matitira is x squared minus y squared. Okay? Then proceed dun sa simplification. K divided by k. So, ibig sabihin, mawawala na ito. Cancel na. Or 1. Diba? Or 1 minus 0 na to, diba? K. Dito ko illustrate, Diba? K. 1 yan. Over k raised to 1. So, ang sagot natin dito, 1 minus 1, diba? So, k. 1 minus 1. So, this is equals to k raised to 0. O, meron kang k raised to 0 dito, di ba? K raised to 0, then copy, I-copy mo na yung natira, and this is multiplied by the square root of. Yung natira mong sagot, taas-taas ko lang. Yan. Anong natitira dito? Yung the square root of x squared plus y squared over the square root of x squared minus y squared. O yan. So, pansinin ang sagot. Di ba? Ang sagot natin, itong last term na to, I mean yung pinaka-final na sagot natin, this one, this, di ba same na siya nung original na given natin na function? Ibig sabihin, yan na yung sagot natin. Bumalik siya doon sa original status niya. So, ang kukunin mo dito, yung k. Dito yung k mo. What is your k here? Ano yung exponent ng k? Your k here. So, your k here, ang exponent niya, 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung n mo dito is equals to 0. So, 0 degree yung function mo. Okay? 0 degree. 0 degree siya. Yan. Hopefully, naintindihan ako. Ano? Homogeneous pa rin naman siya. Ano? This is still a homogeneous function. Yan. Hopefully, nakukuha nyo yung explanation ko dito sa example number 3 natin. Okay? So, ganun lang ang pag-determine kung yung function mo is homogeneous at kung paano makuha naman yung degree of the function. Hopefully, naintindihan itong tawag dito, itong example number 3 o from example number 1 to example number 3 natin. Okay? So, pupunta tayo sa next topic natin, which is yung pinaka-main ng homogeneous differential equation ito. Merong medyo ano lang to, medyo mahaba-haba ang solution dito. But, maintindihan naman, ano? Maintindihan nyo naman tong solution na nandito. So, I will cut first the video here. So, I will proceed dun sa another set of examples, set of topic, then illustration, examples natin, for us to understand kung ano yung homogeneous differential equation. Dito, na-determine natin kung ano yung kung ano yung homogeneous polynomial, tapos homogeneous function ng function natin. Okay?